Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Druid. I'm Milan Das. In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Chrome extensions on Android. As you all know, Chrome extensions are not compatible with Android's Chrome browser. So if you want to use your favorite Chrome extensions on your mobile device, you have to use another browser. Kiwi browser is a Chromium-based browser that supports Chrome extensions. So install it from the Play Store. Open the browser. Kiwi browser has similar features to Google Chrome. To add an extension, click the three dot and select Extensions. Tap on From Store to open the Chrome Web Store. Now search for the extensions you want to use. Tap on Add to Chrome to start the installation process. Once installed, you can access and manage the extension from the extensions page in the Kiwi browser. So guys, this is a simple way to use Chrome extensions on an Android mobile browser. If this method worked out for you, let us know in the comment section below.